Hello there my angel pies and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is actually highly requested ever since I did my first Poundland haul. If I'm a good YouTuber I will link it above here, but watch it after this. A lot of people have been enjoying them on my channel, so I went back to Poundland for the third time in my life. And let me tell you, this was the best time. I don't know if my local Poundland just had a massive shopping spree and got loads of new stuff in, but there was such good stuff compared to the previous times that I went. Also, it's my favourite season at the moment, which is autumn/Halloween, going on into Christmas, which is the best. So they had loads of Halloween and autumn stuff today, which is what I'm going to be showing you in today's haul. Very excited. If you are new here, my name is Sophie, aka Sopherina, and I make 3 videos every single week. Mainly hauls, interior, fashion, you name it, I do it. I would love it if you could join me by subscribing down below, and without rambling, without further ado, let's get to the video. So first up in today's Poundland haul is something that I just did not know that they do, but I'm so impressed with them. Is this earring falling out? No. And basically it is a Halloween pumpkin candle tea light holder. I'm sure I could have said that in shorter words. But how good is this for only £1? It's a little pottery pumpkin head, which I think is so adorable. Obviously the pumpkin face here, and then it has cutouts of stars. And at the back it has a little section you can put your tea light candles in, which is super duper exciting because I have a lot of new candles, especially from Bath & Body Works, that I need to start burning, and things like this is going to be perfect around my house around October, so I'm really excited about this. This is so affordable, so if you do want to decorate your house over the Halloween months, I love how I said months because for me Halloween is September and October. But don't worry about spending too much. Go to Poundland, get something like this. This is so cute. I'm going to have this probably on the little ledge I have by my front door and just light the candle, and then it will light the landing, and when it is Halloween and I get trick-or-treaters I can light a little candle and it will just look all festive, you know. So next to the pumpkin I saw other versions of the same thing. So I saw this Ghosty candle tea light holder, which I love. Again, I cannot believe it was only £1. This is really well made and it's a really good size to have on your windowsill. So I thought I would have this and the pumpkin next to each other on the little ledge by my front door. There's the back where you can put the candle, and then obviously the glowing flashing light will flow through his big mouth and his eyes. He just looks really cute, a good size, well made. He also has a star on the back of his head. Just think for £2 I have completely transformed the ledge by my front door. Like, that whole thing will look so good now just with £2 worth of this. How good is that, honestly? I love how it's painted inside as well, like a really dark orange, so it will give the glowy effect much better, like Halloween lighting, you know? And it's also child friendly. Like, I don't have children myself, but it's not too scary for Halloween. So this was really good. Again, £1. So I also picked up this little snow globe type thing, and it's basically a kind of Halloween themed snow globe, but basically it lights up at the bottom, and as you can see there's like this orange light, and it has a big haunted mansion type thing, and then a ghost with some gravestones, etc. This, again, so cute, and I just thought this could probably go by my TV, just on my little TV unit, and just look cute. I did recently just get back from America and they really go overboard with their Halloween decorations, so I was so happy to go into Poundland and find loads of things like this, because then I could stock up and not break the bank, if you know what I mean. It was only £1, really like it. I love how the little light is orange. I didn't know that in the store, but the light is actually orange, so it gives an orange glow to it. Love it. Something else I found is this candle holder, and this I thought might look good hanging up in the garden, and it's just like a silver holder with a handle, and it has a ghost cut out here, so you could put, again, candles in there and it would light up. You don't really have to have this outside. I would probably end up having this inside because it looks really nice, and also the wind will blow the candle out, you know. Hanging things like this you can get from garden centres and other homeware centres, and you pay more than £1. Can't go wrong. I actually got 3 of these, so I think I'm going to dot them around the house, but I really, really like this. I liked how it was silver. I wish there was other shapes. It only had a ghost shape, but it'd be good if there was a pumpkin shape as well, but I didn't see one in my local Poundland. If you see these in your local Poundland, let me know, because I will literally pay you to get me the other shapes. Yeah. So obviously Halloween means trick-or-treaters, and where I live in like a little cul-de-sac, which is basically like a really quiet road with lots of houses, and I get a lot of children knocking on my door on Halloween, which I love. I think they all look so cute. So obviously I needed to get some sweets, so I've stocked up early because these things sell out. And I purchased 2 bags of these sweets. They're all your general sweets like drumsticks, refreshers, just like chewy sweets. I personally don't like these, which is why I've bought these. I don't eat chewy sweets. I know, people find that really weird, but I don't like them at all. So I purchased these because then I know I'm not going to eat them before the trick-or-treaters arrive. So I purchased 2 bags of these, only £1 per bag. That's not bad. These will get through quite a few children. Because last year I remember spending, like rushing to Tesco the night before and spending way too much money on sweets, and then they all went really, really quickly. So this year I thought, no, I'm going to Poundland. I'm going to get big bags of sweets for £1, not break the bank, and also sweets that I won't eat myself. They're called Spooky Chews, in case you're wondering. And then I got myself a Halloween trick-or-treat bowl. So I noticed a couple of these. To be fair, it's just like really cheap plastic feeling. Not too bad, it won't break. But it's basically a black bowl with the skeleton heads all around, as you can see. Only £1, not bad, and then I can put all the sweets in here and the kids could just like grab however many they want, hopefully not too many because I've only got 2 bags. They did actually have other versions of this bowl, but I preferred the black one. The orange one was like a neon orange and it said something really strange on it. I can't remember what it said. It probably just said trick or treat, but I preferred the black one, so I got this one. And then while I was there, couldn't resist looking in the Christmas section because yes, they've already got their Christmas section up and running, and as you may know or you may not know, I'm obsessed with Christmas, and I found these lights. OMG, oh my gosh. They are basically character lights. They're little Nutcracker Men fairy lights. These are unbelievably cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet because they're a bit of an awkward shape. I can't wrap them around things. I'll probably just decorate the sides of my display cabinets with these, but I just thought they're so cute. I love nutcrackers. I love really traditional looking Christmas decor, so nutcrackers are like a big thing for me. And I got 3 packs, so £1 per pack, and there's 8 lights per pack, which isn't too many, but for £1, not bad. Like, I actually looked on Amazon while I was there. Similar things like these are really expensive, like £15. You get more lights, but this worked out cheaper anyway. So have you heard of Mrs Hinch? I mean, if you haven't, you've been living under a rock. But Mrs Hinch is basically someone who has blown up on Instagram for her cleaning hacks. And I am all for it. So even though I don't follow all her tips, I have started getting some of her tips. So I love her for one. I think she's great. But she uses this, which I didn't know existed, but it is in Poundland. And basically this is called Astonish Kitchen Cleaner. I got zesty lemon flavour. And they're basically a vegan brand, which is what I absolutely loved. A lot of the products Mrs Hinch uses is not vegan, but this is, so it's not been tested on animals, no animal products, nothing to do with animals, which is what we like. So I was really interested in trying this out. Apparently it's really good. I have seen that Ellie Darby also bought this and she said it's really good, so I thought, yeah, it's my turn. I'm going to need something like this. I'm excited that this is in Poundland for only £1. So anyone who wants to follow Mrs Hinch, some of the products she uses is in Poundland, and also they're vegan. And then, as I always do, I topped up on toothpaste while in Poundland. £1 for toothpaste, a lot cheaper than where you get from Boots. So I got the Oral-B Extra White toothpaste. Honestly, this was my favourite Poundland haul I've actually ever done. The previous Poundland hauls I liked, but most of the stuff was cleaning products because my Poundland didn't stock much home stuff. But this time was really good, so I'm really happy. My favourite things had to be the tea light candle holders, the pumpkin, and also the ghost one. I love them very much. What was your favourite one? I would be very interested in knowing. As always, thank you very, very much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Sophie, aka Sopherina. I make 3 videos every single week, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Mwah.